Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new release video. I actually already filmed this, but the footage was like weird for some reason, so I am refilming this. So first things first is we do have some foil items for this week. We do have, I actually already tested it, so let me pull out the sheet that I did. So we do have some of these writable matte check boxes, which I love. These are definitely a more functional item for y'all functional planners. I definitely don't consider myself a functional planner for the most part from what you guys have seen, but I am kind of diving into that. So this is what that looks like on a label, and you can use these as a checkbox. I'm sure you guys will come up with many fun uses for these. So these are, like I said, on writable matte. They do come in gold, silver, rose gold hollow, and sparkly hollow. So those will all be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, along with the rest of these items. I do also have sparkly hollow header overlays. So I do have these in chunky, star, and twinkle. I do have the half cut headers listed still as of now, I think for like 75 cents. So those will be available until about Tuesday afternoon, and then I will take that listing down. It has been up for a while, and I will be listing these Wednesday at noon Eastern with the rest of the releases. So these are the correct headers that are not half cut. I do also have some foil bundles for this week, and I'm very excited because it is the new snowflake format. These are the three that we'll be releasing in the shop, and sparkly hollow may or may not be in November Mystery. It is so pretty, and it goes perfectly with the kit, so very excited for that. And yeah, let's go ahead and go through these. So I do have it in gold, hollow, and silver. I'll go ahead and show you guys silver. They are all the same format, just different foils. We do have a limited amount of these, and they will be on special pricing, for the first 48 hours. So first things first is we do have this page in lieu of the food and drink doodles. So you do have 2 extra full boxes and then some scripts over here that say play in the snow and build a snowman. This is the deco page, which has a bunch of really pretty little deco pieces, which are great for adding extra deco throughout or decorating your full boxes or whatever you may do with that. There is 6 of these sheets with the headers, the half cut headers, and then also the full box overlays, which are so pretty. And then also the circle icons, the date numbers. You also have the cutout icons, the script sampler, and then you also have the 15mm strip, which has the large snowflakes and then the confetti snowflakes. So again, that'll be available this Wednesday at noon Eastern. We will have it in silver, gold, and hollow. If we do have extras of the sparkly hollow, we usually do put up the mystery extras, a couple of months later. So those will be available then, but they will be also in November Mystery, which I'm so excited about. It's so pretty and perfect. So let's go ahead and go through the kits. So first things first is we do have a mini kit exclusive. So this one is called Christmas Story. So this will be available in a mini kit. I think all of the kits this week do have the clear freebie with the black scripts. The first sheet here is the full boxes. This is again based off of A Christmas Story. There is the deco, the functional, the mini kit page, and then the bottom washi. Again, you do have the clear script freebie with the black. So cute. There are some add-ons for this if you want to purchase those. So let me go ahead and show you guys what those look like. First things first is there is the 15mm strip. There is the label sampler. I have like glitter all over my desk from all these wax melts. It's literally, if you could zoom out, it's just wax melts everywhere. You have the glitter sampler, and then you also have the fashion add-on if you want to add that on. Next here is Letters to Santa, which is older art. It came out last year. I don't think I had known that this artist existed last year, so I found them kind of like mid this year, and I saw this art and I was like, I definitely want to use that this year. And I did take the original art and recolor it to have the red in it, and then this artist did this year re-release this art with red in it, so it's not the exact colorway that artist released. It's a little bit different, so that's might be why it doesn't look exactly the same as her re-release, is because I recolored this one. So this does have the red and the green in it, but I still wanted to keep it the vintagey vibes, so it is like kind of like a vintagey red and green. So this is just a really pretty like Christmassy, but I think also could be like a really pretty wintry kit. I love this mailbox here, so dang cute. And these colors, you have a red, a nude, a little bit of a lighter nude, and then a green, which is really pretty. I think it's very soft but still warm. And then the bottom washi, I have like a tickle in my throat. And again, the clear script freebie. This also does come in a mini kit. We are still doing unlimited stock for the first 48 hours. There is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on, the glitter headers, the label sampler, and then there is also Fashion Girls if you want to add those on as well. So that is Letters to Santa. And last but certainly not least is Mary, which is so beautiful. It does also come in a mini kit. Then let me show you guys this one. This one's so pretty. Whenever Jess told me she wanted to do like a glam Christmas art, I was like, yes, please. It's so beautiful. It's so good. The house, I want to pink house so bad. I love this closet. I love the marble and gold throughout. I love the girls. I love everything about this. It's just so pretty in the little lights. I love a good like tiered tray or like a little like coffee bar, cocoa bar situation. I'm here for it. The makeup, everything. I'm here. I just like this closet. Like I want a Christmas tree in my closet. That's like all-time goals. You have a little planner set up here with the stickers, the really cute little pen, the cloud, and then the little ornaments. It's so pretty. The deco page, you have the gold throughout, which is so pretty. This with champagne lights would rock my world. Like actually, it would be beautiful. And then you have the half boxes, the icons, the little things, and then this bottom washi. I love, what is it called? Terrazzo? I think. It's my favorite kind of print in the whole entire world. I love it. I hope it stays trendy for the next 12 years because I will be super into it if it does. So again, this does come in a mini kit as well. I feel like I'm really out of breath today. I also just filmed a voiceover, so that's probably why. But this is just, it's so beautiful. It's just what I want my life to look like. It also does have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, the glitter headers, which has the gold throughout, and then the label sampler. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the Fashion Girls, which these Fashion Girls are just like amazing. I did like a skirt recolor on these just to kind of change it up. And I love this tall box. I put them outside because I think it makes it super chilly and icy feeling. And I'm just like super here for it. So that is everything for this week. Again, we do have Mary, we have Letters to Santa, and Christmas Story. We have the 3 foil bundles, which are the snowflake that do come in silver, hollow, and gold. The sparkly hollow header overlays, and then also the matte check boxes. So hope you guys love this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.